Hi, I'm Amanda Howard with Amanda Howard Sotheby's International Realty. If you've been thinking about selling your home and want to put yourself in the strongest position possible, this video is for you. Here's the truth. Today's buyers are more informed and selective than ever. They're not just looking for a place to live, they want a home that feels updated, well cared for, and worth the price. Now, you don't need a full-blown renovation to get top dollar. What you do need is a strategic approach. So in this video, I'm sharing the 5 must-do upgrades that consistently give sellers the highest return based on what we see every single day in the market. So let's jump in. Lighting is one of the most simple and most overlooked upgrades you can make. Why? Because when buyers walk through your home, they're subconsciously judging how bright, open, and welcome it feels. Poor lighting can even make a beautiful home feel tired. Here's what to focus on. Replace the outdated fixtures with clean, modern designs. Use bright white LED bulbs. Add lighting to dark hallways or corners. And lastly, upgrade the bathroom vanity lighting. Cost-wise, you're looking at around $200 to $800 depending on what options that you choose. And you may be wondering why this works. Great lighting enlarges a space, highlighting your home's best features and creates a first impression that makes buyers feel confident. Strategically, this is one of the highest impact, lowest cost upgrades that you can make. Next up is paint. This is one of those upgrades where the return is almost immediate. A fresh coat of paint resets the entire home. If your walls haven't been painted in the last few years, this is almost always a must. So what are the best colors for 26? Soft whites, grays, warm beige, or light taupe. These colors photograph beautifully and appeal to nearly every buyer. And in terms of cost, you're usually looking around $800 to $3,000 depending on the size of your home. And here's why this matters. When your walls are neutral and fresh, buyers aren't distracted by flaws. They can actually picture themselves living there. And homes that photograph well, they get noticed, which means more showings and more serious buyers walking through your door. So now on to the kitchen, the emotional center of the home. Buyers often judge the entire house based on how the kitchen feels. But here's the good news. You don't need a full remodel. Small, strategic updates go a long way. For example, new cabinet hardware, an updated faucet, a stylish backsplash, under cabinet lighting, and freshly painted cabinets are all examples of minor updates that can make a world of difference. These updates can cost anywhere from $60 to $3,500, depending on how much you choose to do. And here's why it works. Buyers notice these little details. When a kitchen looks fresh and modern, it makes the whole house feel more valuable. It's amazing what a few small changes can do. Now let's talk about curb appeal. First impressions happen before buyers even step inside your home. A home that looks cared for on the outside signals to the buyer that the inside will be just as well maintained, and that builds trust. So curb appeal matters whether buyers are driving by or walking up for a showing. Some simple things that you can do to make a big difference are trimming the landscaping, putting fresh paint on your front door, updating your house numbers or an updated mailbox, or even pressure washing your walkways and driveways. These updates typically cost as little as $200 and can go up to $1,500. But here's the thing. When buyers pull up and your home looks cared for, it immediately sets a positive tone, and that's what makes them more likely to see the value in your home and be willing to pay top dollar for it. Finally, let's talk about bathrooms. You don't need a full remodel to make a big impact. The key is just making the space feel clean, bright, and updated. Some small but powerful updates that go a long way can be adding a new mirror, modern lighting, recaulking the tub and shower, updating the hardware, and even just using clean, neutral towels and decor. These minor updates usually cost between $150 and $2,000, which is a tiny investment compared to what it can do for the value of your home. When a bathroom looks fresh and well cared for, It gives them trust that the entire home has been well maintained. Little updates like these can take away any doubts and make buyers feel confident about your property. And one last tip. Before photos, showings, or an open house, professional cleaning and thoughtful decluttering can completely transform how your home presents. This is one of the most service-forward recommendations I can give because it costs so little but delivers massive results. So those are the 5 strategic upgrades that consistently help sellers stand out and secure top-tier offers. These aren't random suggestions. They're based on real results that we see every day in the market. If you're thinking about selling, here's my offer. Reach out to Amanda Howard, Sotheby's International Realty. My team and I provide a personalized pre-listing strategy designed to help you invest the right amount in the right places so that you can maximize your return without wasting time or money. So whether you're selling in 6 months or 6 weeks, we'll walk you through every step with clarity, transparency, and a result-driven path. Click the link in the description, send me a message, or call our office to schedule your free home valuation and pre-listing consultation. Let's prepare your home with confidence and get you the results that you deserve. I'm Amanda Howard, helping you find your place in North Alabama. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.